Welcome to Ukraine, where HeavyFinance is turning a staggering 300,000 hectares, that's about 750,000 football pitches if you're counting, into a massive playground for regenerative agriculture. I know what you're thinking, HeavyFinance sounds like a big corporate investment firm, and it is, but an investment in our future. That's right, it's not just a shift, it's an agricultural revolution. Ukraine has been kicking out wheat, barley, and corn for years, but let's be honest, traditional farming has roughed it up a bit. Now imagine flipping the script. We're talking about farming that doesn't just feed us, but heals the land it uses. A kind of farming that could suck up carbon dioxide like a vintage vacuum at a dust bunny convention. That's right, the potential is here to cut carbon emissions on the scale of, say, Germany's annual output. Eat your heart out, Industrial Revolution. And this isn't your granddad's farming. No, sir. We've got on-soil carbon measurements, think like CIS, but for agriculture. HeavyFinance is prepping to dive into over 3,000 soil samples just this July. It's soil science meets high-stakes betting. They're not just farming smarter, they're farming for the future, and the future is regenerative. They're also rallying local farming troops. It's not just about plowing the fields, it's about setting the stage for a regenerative renaissance. Who knew farming could be so revolutionary? The first batch of carbon credits is set to roll out by 2025, and it's going to be a game changer. Imagine turning back the climate clock with every crop rotation. HeavyFinance isn't just sowing seeds, they're growing a greener future, 1 hectare at a time. So stay tuned, because this agricultural saga is one you won't want to miss if you want to save the world. This has been Food News. Rashawn Parker reporting for Independent Lasagna Productions. Stay fresh.
Order up!